Are you ready to build a stunning business website using WordPress without touching a single line of code? In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step to create a professional, responsive business site that builds trust and drives results. Let's begin. So let's jump right in and start crafting your business website in WordPress. Let's start by installing the aBlocks plugin on your WordPress website. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Plugins section, and click Add New. In the search bar, type aBlocks. It's one of the most powerful and user-friendly Gutenberg page builders available today. With over 60 plus advanced blocks, 1000 plus active installations, and an impressive 4.9-star rating on WordPress. aBlocks is designed to help you build stunning, professional websites without writing a single line of code. One of the most exciting features of aBlocks is its extensive library of pre-made templates, enabling you to build full websites in just a few clicks. Once you locate the aBlocks plugin, click Install, and then Activate to get started. Now, let's import a ready-made business portfolio template using aBlocks. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, and this time navigate to the aBlocks Templates section. Here you'll find a wide variety of professionally crafted templates made for different types of websites. At the top, you'll see filterable categories. Click on the Business category. This will display multiple pre-built business website templates, ideal for small startups, agencies, or established businesses looking to showcase their services beautifully on WordPress. You can click the Preview button on any template to explore its full design. Scroll through the layout to see sections like Hero Banners, Service Highlights, About and Contact Information, Testimonials, Call to Action areas, and more. Once you've found a template that suits your needs, click Start Import. Make sure to check the box that says Import with Images, then hit the Import Now button. In just a few seconds, your entire business portfolio website will be imported and live. To view it, simply click Visit Website. Just like that, you've got a complete professional-grade business site ready to go, all with zero coding and just a few clicks. Next up, let's dive into customizing your site and making it truly your own. Click the Edit button to open the page in the WordPress editor. With aBlocks, you'll get access to 60 plus advanced Gutenberg blocks, giving you complete control to build a fully functional and visually stunning website, all without writing a single line of code. Now, let's start customizing a section of the business website template to better reflect your brand's style and message. Now, let's add a subscription form to the business website template. Start by selecting the section where you want to place the form. Insert a container block and set a background color that matches your brand style. Next, add a heading block. Type in your heading and customize the text color. Adjust the alignment and choose a suitable HTML tag for better SEO structure. Add some top margin to give it breathing space. Right below the heading, insert a paragraph block. Add your text, then align it and style the font color to ensure it blends well with your design. Now, insert two container blocks side by side using the row direction layout. In one of the containers, search for the Form Builder block and choose the subscription form layout. Move into the form settings. You can choose to enable or disable form labels as needed. Next, customize the Submit button. Change the label text, center the button, and add a hover effect from the Style panel to make it interactive. In the other container, add social icons. Style them according to your design needs. Adjust size, color, spacing, or even layout direction. Once all your customizations are done, click the Save button to apply the changes. Now preview the page to see your beautifully crafted website design complete with a sleek and functional subscription form. Congratulations! You just built a stunning business website and added a fully customized subscription form, all without writing a single line of code. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, designing your dream site in WordPress has never been this easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step WordPress guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.